Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change UI size in a Grow a Garden Roblox. So, have trouble reading the UI in Grow a Garden? Here's how to make it bigger in just a few seconds. First, just open settings menu, this one, and then next just scroll down until you find the UI size on here. And there are three available options: normal, big, bigger, and biggest. Normal for the default UI size like this, and then for the bigger, if you want the larger button and text like this, you can see it. And for the biggest, for the largest and easiest to read interface, it will look like this. It's so big like this. So just simply select the size you prefer and the change will be applied instantly. If the UI feels too small on your device, I recommend trying big or biggest for a more comfortable gameplay experience. And okay, that's it. Now you can enjoy Grow a Garden with a UI size that works best for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!